Hello, Shelley. This will be some milestone 2 video feedback on the business card, letterhead, and leave behind. Shelley, I enjoy your business card, and I think one of the reasons why is that your logo is nice and large, and I appreciate the 3D embossed effect that you've gotten, plus the graded fills better. I think that those effects are less successful on smaller type. And also, too, I was wondering about the physical dimensions of your card. You know, the standard business card size is 2 by 3.5, I believe. This looks a bit longer than that. I mean, that's okay to have a non-standard size card, but typically what somebody's going to do is probably fold it. So if you anticipate somebody folding it in half, you might want to move the type out of what will become, I guess, what they call the gutter. I like your choice of typefaces. But again, I'm not so crazy about this inline type. I think it's probably too small. I think it'd be probably just as effective, as black. Make sure you get a clean left edge if you're going to arrange things flush left, red, right. The italic that you've chosen, is it the same typeface that you've used on your logo? Okay, so here we are with your letterhead. I enjoyed the blue gradation. I'm not saying that you should employ it on the letterhead as well, but it looks good on the business card. And again, I have the same issue, I guess, with the type here, is that I'd rather not see it inline, but perhaps just black and smaller. Maybe aligning it with this implied horizontal line, maybe aligning the X height with that SP. Enjoy your logo. Let's see, does it look any different on the letterhead if I zoom in than it did on the business card? No, it's pretty much the same, right? But I think that's the only place that you need to suggest 3 dimensions. And the other information at the bottom here, you'll need to print this out and make visual judgments yourself, but chances are, if you printed this letterhead sketch out, you would think that the type is too large. So at the bottom here, I'm not sure what it is. It looks like maybe 12, maybe even 16 point type. That could be like 10 point type or even 9 point type. And in this pink color, which reflects your logo palette, it would still be legible. So consider smaller type and creating a less noisy maybe bottom just by combining all of this in a single line. The placement is great, I think, and you have plenty of room for the body of a letter. Be aware where a letter is going to fold. Usually folds in thirds, panels of 3, and so you don't want a fold going through, say the first line of type. Maybe move that up or something. But anyway, just be aware that letters are typically folded and put in standard size envelopes. Shelley, I really enjoyed your description of a leave behind. You know why? Because you actually gave me an image of something that you liked that you could see being your portfolio. So a 5 by 7, I guess, accordion fold brochure. And be conscious of the kind of paper that you're going to use, high quality paper. That's good. It sounds like something that you can quickly print out a few for an interview, edit them, tailor them perhaps for your target audience. And you also, in your description of your leave behind, although it's short, you also give us a link to a valuable reference that you found. You're keeping color in mind too, and I think that pinkish orangish color, you might want to justify it, other than saying it's a color that I like. What is it about that you like? Does it express some part of you? Just curious about that. You don't have to. Maybe in your final peer reviews or peer critiques, you can mention what your color choices, where they come from. But anyway, it's interesting to me and to your colleagues, I think, to learn about that. This is a great post. Thank you for the title page. You follow the SNHU paper format really well. I appreciate that.